Hello, my friends. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing great. And this is my situation this morning. We went and checked on the lovebird nests, and this baby here, that is the last one that hatched, they were not feeding him. I noticed yesterday that he didn't have food, so I was hoping that they would feed it in the afternoon, but they did not, and they did not feed him this morning. So my situation now, we're gonna have to raise this baby, and you see how tiny he is. So this is gonna be his first meal. As you can see here, he doesn't have anything in there. It's empty. So we're gonna feed him for the first time, and we're gonna be responsible and looking out for this baby. Actually, my son here, my youngest son, he always wanted to raise a lovebird. So, and today is his birthday, my son's birthday. So this is gonna be one of my presents to him, giving this baby so he can raise him. So I was gonna help him in the beginning, and then he's gonna take over. So here we go. So we're gonna try to feed this baby for the first time. He's already eating very well. You see that? That's the food, so he's eating very well now. He was very hungry. He probably had not been eating for a few days. Maybe 2 days, maybe. Because he's like close to 3 days old, so they probably never feed him. But you see there, he's eating very well. I don't want to feed him too much the first time. Maybe this is the last drop. That's gonna be his last drop there. Oh, I didn't have the camera good, I think. Yeah, he ate enough now, so I just gonna leave it alone, and later I will feed him more. This is a tiny thing, guys. A big responsibility, but we are all for it. So this is gonna be my son's baby now. So that's it. He ate really good now. His first meal. As you can see there, he ate a lot. He had a good meal now. So we're gonna put him in the box now. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna put it in a nice cozy box. Tico, give me a brand new napkin, one, and a half bowl, because it's cold. He was so hungry that he passed out. He's cold. That one is perfect, baby. Yes, yes. Uh-huh. Half of it is too much. Got it? Half of the napkin. That's your baby. You are 10 years old and already with a baby. A baby responsibilities. Oh, 11. Right. That's right, you're turning 11 today. 10 is in the past now. I used to say 10. Alright, so we're gonna put it here now. Inside here. We're gonna put it inside here. Like a nice diamond pressure. Like this. See? We're just gonna put it. And then we can let the light there. to put that box in between so the kite doesn't go there. And that's the baby kite I just fed into. And we keep you posted, guys. Now it's gonna be like every 2.5 hours feeding that tiny thingy there. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.